Is it moving at all? All right. Got the truck, got the trailer. Now let's get the car loaded. Loaded and ready to go. I'm gonna go get the exhaust done first, then get an alignment. All right, she's up. Yeah, that's what we get in it. Yes, sir. So this is weird garage with no race car. We're gonna go pick it up later. Once it's done, then we go take it to the alignment shop. So yeah, I don't like this view. I miss it already. Really nice. Real nice. It should sound a lot better now. So we got the car back there. I had to load it and move because it was way too hot to do some filming out there, and I still gotta go all the way down to Fort Lauderdale to get the car aligned. So we're on the way there. The exhaust is fixed. Paid more than I wanted to, but whatever. It's quiet, so now next step, alignment. See you there.
I bought it off this guy.
I've had this one 20 years.
No way.
Yeah. I bought it back in 2003. Yeah, you can hear that shit. All right, we're all done. We're back in the garage. Car's got the exhaust done, alignment 100%. Good to go. I just need to remove my steering wheel because it is slightly off now. So once I get that removed, I gotta pull it and then align it and it will be all straight. Then one other thing we have to do is take it to the dyno. Get a nice tune to it, and then we can go start raping the streets. That's it for now.
Tomorrow.
All right, today's project. After the alignment was done, steering wheel is a little off center. So what we're going to do, we're gonna pull it out, straighten it. Good old trusty Harbor Freight tool. Let's get it. Right, as you guys know, I'm pretty bad at recording my stuff, so I'll do my best to keep this up, recording the progress. Yeah. This was like 18, 20 bucks. All right. So first thing we gotta do is find the bolts that fit the steering wheel. Let's find out what that is. Maybe this one. Whoa. All right, let's start with this one, I guess. See what that's like. God. Yeah, that looks right. Still a little loose. Let's try another one. Maybe this longer one? Are these the same size or? No, one looks thicker. Let's try this longer one. See if that works. All right. So same type of fit. It's a little loose, so I guess it's fine. So this S2K steering wheel off of AP1. If you want to get an AP1 steering wheel to fit an EG, you have to swap out the steering column for an EK because the spline count is different on the EG. So, little tip. So we're gonna go ahead with the short boys here, and yeah, let's grab this guy. See where we end up. Do we need the washers? Well, they're here, so I assume we do. I guess. I guess, yeah, that might work. Let's try that. All right, so the wheels. Well, I gotta remove this guy here. Size 21. In case anyone was wondering. So I'm gonna take off this plug here. Ow. Which will be for the horn, I'm assuming. Oh, this is for the cruise control. I can just tuck this guy away somewhere. I don't want to damage it with a puller. right. So now we try to align. Well, let's tuck this back there. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Okay, get this tightened up. Okay, I'm wondering if that should be good. Okay, we got that on. Now we just need to get the other piece on. Alright, so now we get this long john here, screw it into the center, and that'll push on the screw-in bolt. Try to get that sucker aligned. Alright, and we get, it's a 14. Put that Johnny on there. And start tightening, I guess. Oh boy. Oh yeah, it's rough. Woof. Goodness gracious. Yeah, so steering wheel doesn't lock, so that makes it extra difficult. I'm gonna have to lock it myself. Yep. So the wheels are full lock. There it is. Oh boy. Woof. This thing is on there. May need to get some better reinforcements. Leverage. See if I could even have the space to do this here. Is it moving at all? It worked. So just like that, it pops right off. Right, now that that's done, just gotta straighten out the wheel and then put the steering back aligned. So if you look now, we're pretty straight. So now we just gotta put the wheel on correctly. All right, so we got that on pretty straight. There we go. Put this bad boy back on. Yeah. Well, we're all set. Looking pretty damn good. Right. Wheel straight. There we go. There. We're all done. Beautiful. Plug this guy back in. Put you back in your little holster here. And we're good. We are all set. Still has some play, but that happens with the steering column swap. And that's it.
Day 3.
What's that?
Do you want to get in this year?
Well, yeah.